see na, no, the Microsoft 365 web page. So the if you look on the left side, you can see here the applications at left side panel. So these are the applications. I mean, quick access right here. So first is you click this one, apps, so that you can see the whole list of applications in 365. So you just click that. So here we are now. So these are the applications in 365. So first is we so first is Word application. No? So what we are going to do is just simple. We type and then we spell check. We insert table and we insert a picture and then we save. So that is our goal for Word, for the Word application. Okay, so first is you click on Word and then you click the blank document and you will be redirected to the Word application. So first is just typing. So we type, no, we input what we want. So say for example, hello everyone, welcome. So if you highlight, you know how to highlight is just click, hold, and drag the words, and then you click on the font size and it will change the size of the letters. If you want bigger, the bigger the number, the bigger the size. And the font type. So I mean the design of the font, this one. So next is spell check. You know, say for example, you don't know the spelling. Say for example, burger. The spell check is also case sensitive. So for capital letters, you cannot spell check. For example, this one. If you see a red line under the word, then and then the application detects that that is a word that is wrongly spelled. So all you have to do is just hover on the word and then right click, and then you hover on spelling. It will open to a drop down list and you just um choose which word is correct. So for here, burger. Next is to insert table. How do you insert table? You click on insert and then you just click on table. So here you can see the boxes. So these are the number of rows that you want and the number of columns that you want. So the amount of highlighted boxes determines the size of the table. So for example, 2 by 2. So there are 4 cells, two, yeah, 2 cells for two cells horizontally and 2 cells vertically. So for example, this one 2 by 2, so like that. So and then you can type, you can input whatever you want. So for example, countries and then its capital. And then if you want to add a new cell, you just right click and then insert column below. So that is how you add a new cell. Example, Philippines, then so like that. So next is we insert a picture. So how do you insert a picture? You just click insert and then picture. So for in this drop down list, you will choose where the picture is saved. So if you save that picture in your device, so you just click here, or if you have saved that on OneDrive, you click on OneDrive. So for now, let us click on this device. And then you just click the picture that you want and click open. And then here is now the picture. So you can resize to smaller or bigger. Okay. So next is save. So you just click on file right here. This one, file. File. So you click on file and then click on save as. So save as online copy, it will be saved on your OneDrive. It will be saved on the cloud for 365. If you click on download a copy, then it will save on your device, on your computer. And if you click on download as PDF, it will be saved in your computer, but as a PDF, not a Word file. So for now, we'll click on save as online copy. And then you rename the file that you want. And then click on create a copy. Wait for it to save. So it is already saved now. So where is it located? No, if you want to find that saved file, so you just click on apps. This one, you click this. And then you find OneDrive. So all files that you have made in Microsoft 365 will automatically be saved in OneDrive, this one. Or you can choose, like before, you can choose if you want to save it on your device or on the cloud. So it is located here, OneDrive. So as you can see, here it is. Testing 1, 2, 3. That is the file that we have made a while ago. So next is Excel.
Can we ask questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show us how to insert a page and how to delete a page? Please.
Insert with like new page sa Word, ma'am.
On your document, if you are inserting a page, a second page, you
Okay.
insert the page. Thank you.
So if you want to insert, if you want a new page, you have to, say for example, this one. So if you want to create a page, you just click on enter. As you can see, there is this cursor. No, if you click enter, this cursor will go down. Just click enter, and then at the very bottom, there you go. So
Oh,
you have now 2 pages.
okay. We didn't use the insert tool, right? We just made an it's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go on.
Oh, you like merging, ma'am? Merging 2 documents?
No, for example, I have 2 pages and then I decide to insert one page in between the 2 pages. Like I want to insert something else. I wanna create, yeah. It's okay. Let's proceed muna and then at saka na lang siguro tayo
Okay,
question
okay.
and answer. Thank you.
Actually, ma'am, for that, ma'am, no, if ever is I do it manually. So if ever this one, there are 2 pages. Say for example, home. So let's make it bigger. Example, this is page 1. Ano, page 1, and then this is page 3. So you want to insert page 2. But I really do it manually. So I click on enter up until I reach the bottom to create page 3. And then I insert page 2 here. So that is how I do it. I do it manually.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. But if ever anyone has a much more simpler way, so you can share, man. Okay, so let us close now Word. And then let us proceed to Excel. So you click on Excel again, and then you click on blank workbook. So if you click on the blank workbook, it will lead you to a new tab. So this is now Excel. So Excel is a very powerful application, all sorts of math operations, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. You can make tables here, you can make charts, but making chart here is, for me, very complicated. So you can make charts in Word much more simpler. But for 365, you cannot make charts online. You can make charts offline in Office, not 365 version. So you can also do data sorting in Excel, tabulation, and other Office works. But for now, we will just focus on sorting the data. So say, for example, you have names. Let's just make names, no? Say, Zeus, Hera, Sidon, Jupiter, Athena, Apollo. So sample this one. So if you want to sort this alphabetically, then you just click on data and then you click here. So for sort ascending, this will sort from A to Z, and sort descending, this will sort from Z to A. If you click on ascending, so it sorted the names from A to Z, from Aphrodite to Zeus. So if you want a from Z to A, then you click sort descending, from Zeus to Aphrodite. And so, for example, and also you can sort numbers, no? Like 1, 5, 23, 48, 90. So you can also sort numbers. So you just highlight, how to highlight, click, hold, and drag. And then you click on sort ascending. Just click just sort, or so ascending again from least to highest, descending from highest to least. So say for example, you want to, these are connected. For example, these are their scores, and you want to sort just this, and then the others will follow. So you just highlight both, and then you click custom sort. You sort by scores, or you sort, you sort by name. So if you sort by name, the names will be sorted, but the scores will follow. So you click OK. Ah, that was ascending man, di ba? Scores descending. Oh. So the names have been sorted, and then their respective scores will follow. So that is one of the examples of how sorting is done in Excel. But Excel has, again, a lot of um tools. Again, you can add, subtract, whatever. So okay. Any questions? None? Okay. So next is PowerPoint. So just click on PowerPoint, click blank presentation. So this is now PowerPoint in 365. So our goal here is just to insert a picture and animation. So you just click on the slide tab. This is the slide tab. The slide tab. You just right click and then new slide. So say for example, cats. And then you want to insert a picture. So you just insert, click on, hover on insert, click insert. And then you click on pictures. Where was the picture saved? So you click on that. So in animation, you have to be careful because the assignment of animations are in order. So how do you assign animations? You just click on animations, and then the first thing that you want is to appear in your presentation, di ba? So you just click on appear. No. Yeah, so you have to be careful, no, on which the object you want to appear first. So for example, I want first this word not to appear cats. So I have to do is just click on that and click appear. As you can see, there is number 1 on the side. That means during the presentation, when I click, this one will be the first to appear. And then I want this picture to appear next. So I just click again the image and then I click appear. As you can see, there is now number 2. So let us try this. So first is cats, and then second is the image. So that is how you sequence the animation in PowerPoint. So if you want, for example, you can also delete, you can also change this. You can also change, you just click on this button, click, hold, and drag if you want to change the sequence. So say for example, you want this image first to appear and then next. So all you have to do is click on this one, hold and drag. Hold, like that. So again, number 1 is now 1 is now the cat and the image cat, and then 2 is the word cat. So if you present this, okay, the image appears first and then the word is next. So that is how you change the sequence. So, okay. Any questions?
How about design?
Isa?
Template for design. Do
I cannot hear you, ma'am.
you have do you have design?
Not
Design. You have that's design. The design. Click the
design?
Design, yeah.
Design. Okay, so if you want to change the design of the background of your slide, is you just click on design. This one. Click on this one. Click on design, and then you choose the design that you want. You just click this one to drop down more, to drop down the choices. So say for example, if you want this or this, station on that's. If you want the background, we can select insert picture and then this device. So the background has changed into the picture that you want. So presentation on cats by Meow. Like that. So, kinamang? Did that satisfy you?
Can we insert sounds or music? Huh?
Kinamang?
Can we insert sounds or music?
Background.
Insert sounds.
Insert music or sounds?
Can we?
Ano ba
Other
po?
insert? Other insert?
Okay. So, insert.
Okay.
And then, if you want to insert sounds, you just click on this one, insert.
Okay.
You click on insert and then you click on audio.
Mm.
Yan.
And then it will then go to the I have no music mungod so I have no music.
Is it okay?
Ah I have no music, but if you have music downloaded, then you just click on the music and then you click on open.
Okay.
So when you click on open, this will close na. So there will then be a automatic and it will automatically play the if you present
Right.
if you present and then if this slide has a music, then the music will automatically play.
Okay.